For this video, we will be generating random objects out of the particle emitter. Okay, so for now, we'll be using the create emitter, um, the generic emitter, and then let's just test. Okay, so what we have is points. So what I'll do is to just generate some of these objects from polygon primitives. Okay, but this will do. You can you can model your own objects for this exercise, or um, for this work. Okay, so let me just demonstrate how we instance these three objects, and how to replace these particle types. Okay. So the objective for this video is for these particle points be replaced by these three randomly. Right? Okay. So select we select the three objects, the models. We'll go to nParticles instancer. Okay. And then I can just reset this first. Um, let's give this a name, random objects instancer, or whatever name you want to give this. Okay. In the previous video, we made the cycle sequential because we want it to be animated. But now we'll make this none. Okay. These are the three objects. We have a cube, a torus, and a gear. And then just to check, particle object to instance is particle shape 1. Okay. If I click create, um, if you see, the points are being replaced by the cube. But I'll just minimize the rate to 20. Okay, so what we are having is um, cubes instead of the different objects. Okay. So what we're going to do is to select the particle particle shape. We go to the nParticle shape 1, and then under um, add dynamic properties. What we want to do is to create per particle array attributes. Okay, so but currently these are the default values or the attributes that we have, and we don't have anything about creating random objects. So what we can do is to add dynamic attributes. So I'll choose general, click this, and then we can add a particle shape. So let me call this random object, or obj, and then just make this per particle array. So we don't have to concern ourselves with these ones yet. Okay, so just click OK, and then as you can see, the per particle attributes added random obj here. Okay, so this is for random object. Okay. So what we'll do is to create an expression. So you right click the random object, create an expression. Okay. Um, we can just select this nParticle shape 1 dot random object. This means that this is the object, this is its attribute. So we are using the dot notation. I'm sure if you are in programming class, either you are already familiar with this kind of notation, or you will be, since you are enrolled in principles of programming. So what we're going to do is to create a random object, um, a, a random script for the random object. Okay. Currently, we have one, two, three. So we have three objects here. Uh, the rand method will have two parameters. The first one is um, the lowest and the highest. Okay, so this means that the object or the program will run and will either choose 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, although we only have three objects, uh, the, this is why 3 yung maximum. Okay, so just click create, okay, then close. And after that, we go back to the nParticle shape 1, go to instancer, and then under the general options, object index, we choose random object. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's generating different these three in random. We are not um, controlling which object will be emitted at a certain time, but that's why we just use any object. Okay, so it could be a cube, a gear, or a torus. Okay, so while it has an expression, it's not that very difficult. Actually, a simple uh, it's a simple expression. There's only one line. Okay, so um, you can actually search for this one as well in the internet. Okay, so it doesn't need to be very complicated. But how can we apply this, or where can we apply this um, random object? So for example, I believe I have uploaded about a video about uh, popcorn maker that spews out different shapes of popcorns. Or actually, those are cube, cone, and I believe a sphere. But you can also apply this concept to that um, idea. So when we create or when we simulate popcorns, when we uh, cook popcorns, they aren't exactly the same in terms of shape. So we can do modifications of in terms of size, in terms of shape, and then apply instancer for that kind of exercise. Okay, um, I'm sure you'll be able to look for other uses of instancer as well, random object instancer. Okay, so that's it for today. So I have given you two videos. The first one is about um, the two are about particle instancer. The first one is for sequential, meaning we can use it for uh, sequential animation, such as the flapping of a wing of the wings, and then this one a randomly generated objects being emitted from the emitter. So thank you.